Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn English Whole Day. I'm James, and today we will practice shadowing English sentences. Shadowing means listen, then repeat after me. Let's get started. Section 1. Greetings. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How are you today? How are you today? I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. See you later. Goodbye. Goodbye. Section 2. Daily questions. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from London. I am from London. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Section 3. Work and study sentences. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. I go to work every morning. I go to work every morning. I am learning English. I am learning English. I like studying new words. I like studying new words. I read books in English. I read books in English. I listen to English podcasts. I listen to English podcasts. I practice speaking every day. I practice speaking every day. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I work with my colleagues. I work with my colleagues. My teacher helps me learn. My teacher helps me learn. Section 4. Daily routine sentences. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I drink a cup of tea. I drink a cup of tea. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I go to work by car. I go to work by car. I study English after lunch. I study English after lunch. I meet my friends in the evening. I meet my friends in the evening. I go shopping on weekends. I go shopping on weekends. I cook dinner at night. I cook dinner at night. I watch TV after dinner. I watch TV after dinner. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. Section pump. Polite everyday phrases. Excuse me. Excuse me. Please help me. Please help me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No problem. No problem. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? That's great. That's great. Well done. Section 6. Short conversations. Shadowing style. Now listen carefully to me. Two persons A and B are doing shadowing practice. A. Hello, how are you? B. Hello, how are you? A. I'm fine, thank you. And you? B. I'm fine, thank you. And you? A. I'm good too. B. I'm good too. A. What are you doing today? B. What are you doing today? A. I am studying English. B. I am studying English. A. That's very good. B. That's very good. Great job, my friends. Great job, my friends. You practiced more than 200 sentences today. You practiced more than 200 sentences today. Keep shadowing every day, and your English will become fluent. Keep shadowing every day, and your English will become fluent. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.